Ladies and gentlemen, traders both experienced and new, buckle up your seatbelts. You're in for a wild ride. My name is Urshad, and today I'm dropping some knowledge that'll rock your world. I ain't holding back because, believe me, I've been there, done that, and lost 50,000 in the process. So, let's set the scene. It's not just about avoiding scams. No, sir. I'm here to reveal the undercurrents of the game, the psychological manipulation that even savvy traders like yourself might not see coming. You see, these signal groups are like a shiny, well-decorated storefront. It's all about the packaging, the illusion of legitimacy. Clean, professional-looking signals coupled with sharp graphics and detailed technical analysis. They even give you fancy names like XAUUSD, gold signal, and you think, damn, these guys know what they're doing. But let me tell you, the manipulation begins a whole lot earlier. The psychology trap starts with a simple but effective maneuver. They give you a taste of success. You take the first take profit and bam, you've got 50 bucks in the pocket. You're feeling pretty damn good about yourself. Then they hit you with the after party. They show screenshots of all the other traders who made a killing, saying all targets hit, members making 500 per lot. That's when the regret sets in. The what-ifs hit you like a semi-truck. Damn, I should have held. Now let's talk about phase 2, the greed hook. You're getting lured in deeper. Second trade hits TP1, hits TP2, and you're feeling like a goddamn pro. This time, you've got the audacity to try and go for that elusive TP5. After all those guys in the signal group made a killing, right? But then it reverses, hits your stop loss, and bam, 500 down the drain. Your monthly profit gone, and now you're sitting there blaming yourself, thinking, I should have cashed out at TP2. I got greedy. And here's where it really gets twisted. Phase 3, the safety net trap. You think you're being smart this time. New trade, TP2. Move your stop loss to break even. Feeling all smug. I got this figured out. I'm not losing money this time. And then price comes back to entry and stop you out. Zero profit. But in the group, they're celebrating. Boom! Another winner! TP2 hit. You're sitting there thinking, what the hell am I doing wrong? Why can't I trade like them? Then the monthly deception comes into play. They drop their monthly report, all shiny and promising. The numbers they show are staggering. 93% win rate, 2,500 pips captured, risk management perfect, 0 losing weeks. You're looking at your account, maybe a small profit, maybe a small loss. Nowhere near the results they claim. This creates a whirlwind of emotions. First, self-doubt seeps in. Am I really just bad at trading? Then comes hope. Maybe next month, if I follow exactly what they say. And there it is, the mathematical truth behind their win rates. It's all smoke and mirrors. They're cherry-picking their wins and hiding their losses. Like, think about it, they're hitting 3 take profits on each trade with small targets, but a big stop loss. They claim, wow, that's a 90% win rate, we're killing it. But what they're not telling you is that they're actually losing more than they're winning, thanks to their risk-reward ratio being all messed up. Most traders are getting stopped out after partial profits, and their real account growth is minimal. Now let's talk solutions and protection. To keep yourself safe, remember these red flags: multiple take profits, unrealistic win rates, pressure to join VIP groups, and emphasis on subscriber count. Real trading is all about developing your own strategy, focusing on risk management, trading smaller positions, and accepting real win rates, not those fake 90% they claim. And this is crucial. If someone's making consistent profits trading, they wouldn't be selling signals. They'd be sitting on mountains of cash. They wouldn't need your 50 subscription fee.